Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay. In last class, we have discussed about some problems of exercise. First B, chapter 1, concept of set. Some problems are remaining. So today we'll discuss about these problems. Now we are going to discuss about the question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. There, a set x is given. A set x is given. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Okay. A set x is given. 2, 4, 6. A set y is given. Y is given. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, and a set z is given. And a set z is given 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. Clear? Identify the disjoint and overlapping set among first x and y. X and y, second y and z, and third z and x. Okay. Here we have to find that what which two sets are adjoining set and which two sets are overlapping set. Clear? Now first is what? X and y. See here, element of set x and set y. Any element common? So again here we write element of set x 2, 4, 6. Element of set y 3, 6, 9. One element common here. One element common. It means it is overlapping set. It is overlapping set. Now, so how we can draw or represent this by Venn diagram? Overlapping set x, y. X, y. Common element is what? 6. So common element we will write in common portion here. Okay. So here we write 6. Rest element of set x 2 and 4. And rest element of set y 3 and 9. Clear? It means both are overlapping. Set. Clear? Okay. Same you can find at y and z. Y and z. Any element common? No element common. Y and z. 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, 16. No any element is common in both sets. So both are disjoint. Both are disjoint. Clear? So how will draw their Venn diagram? Second one, y and z. Y and z. No any element common. So here 3, 6, 9. And here 4, 8, 12, 16. Both are disjoint. Clear? Same as last one. Z and x. Z and x. Okay. So here again one element common 4 and 4. 4 and 4. So again these two are overlapping set. These two are overlapping set. Clear? So Z and x. These two are overlapping set. Clear? Okay. Now we will proceed to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. A set A is given. A set A is given in ruler method or cylinder form. X says that x belongs to whole number, where x is multiple of 5 and less than 30. So here I will write in roster form. X such that x belongs to whole number. X is a multiple of 5 and x less than 30. X such that x belongs to whole number. X is multiple of 5 and x less than 5. Okay, so first we will write this in roster form. How? See here, x such that x belongs to whole number. Multiple of 5 less than 7, less than 30. So you know now what is table of 5? 5 1 5, 5 1 5. Okay, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 2 20, 5 5 25, and 5 3 30. So only we will write 1 2 3 4 5. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Clear? Next, a set B is given. A set B is given. X says that x is element of natural number. X is divisible by 7 and less than 7. Again, here you have to write the set of natural number. X says that x is a set of natural number. Clear? Set of natural number. X less than 30 and divisible by 7. मतलब वो सारे एलिमेंट लिखने हैं आपको नेचुरल नंबर के जो 7 से डिवाइड हो और लेस देन what 30. It means 7 से divide first number what 7 prime number ना, so only 7 tables number are divided by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 2 is 14, 3 is 21, and 7 4 is 20. Clear? Second. And C, set C is given again in ruler form or segmental form. Here we have to write in roster form. X says that x belongs to whole number and x less than 5. X says that x belongs to whole number and x less than 5. Whole number means the number which is started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Natural number, the number which started from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Clear? So, we'll write this set C in roster form. How? X says that x belongs to whole number less than 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And clear? Now what is the question? Verify that A and B are disjoint set. A and B are disjoint. मतलब इसमें कोई भी element common नहीं है. So see here A and B. Any element see here common? Not? नहीं है ना? देखो 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 है यहाँ पे A में और B में क्या है? 7, 14, 21, 28. कोई भी element same नहीं है ना? Common नहीं है. It means A and B are disjoint set. A and B are no element common in both A and B. So A and B are disjoint. Here A and B are disjoint. No element common in A and B. No element common in A and B. Same you can solve the next option. Third, A and C are overlapping set. A and C are overlapping. So here element of A and element of C. Any element common? A and C are overlapping. Multiple of 5. One element is common here. Multiple of 5. Overlapping set. A and C are overlapping set. So element of C is x such that x belongs to whole number, x less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And x is a multiple of 5 less than 30. 0, 5, 10, 15, 10, 20 and 25. So here only one element common, 0. Only one element common, 0. So A and B are overlapping. A and B are overlapping. Same we can say the third one. B and C are non-overlapping. Non-overlapping are disjoint. Both are same. Both words are same. Non-overlapping are disjoint. So B and C here again. No any element in common both set B and C. 7, 0, 14, 1, 21, 2, 28, 3, 4. No any element common. So both B and C are disjoint, are non-overlapping set. Next, we proceed to the next question. 10th one. Which one? 10. Clear? Represent each other following by a Venn diagram. Only third part I will tell. Okay, here, and rest of we will try to solve. Clear? So 10, third part. A set M is equal to given C A E, and a set N is given B A R K. Represent them by the what? Venn diagram. Clear? See here, in both set only one element is common. What? A. It means both are overlapping set. Both are overlapping set. So we can represent them by Venn diagram. See how? First we draw a circle for set M, and then for M. Which element common? Only one. This one element is common. One element is common. So here in common portion we will write common element. Another element of set M here C A and E, and other element of set N D R E. Clear? Okay. How we can represent the two set by this Venn diagram? Clear? Okay. Here only one element common. So common element we will write in the common portion. Okay. Next question. Next, first and second part we will try to solve. Okay. Every doubt we can ask in next class. Okay, students. Now last one of this size. Question number 11. Question number. Okay. Draw the Venn diagram for the set U. The universal set U is given X such that X is the letter of the word entertainment. Entertainment. So here write E N T R A I M M E and T. We will write letter of the word only one times, not twice. Okay. So E N. Okay, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Only one. So represent this. And one more set is given. X is equal to E A I R. Draw this both set by a Venn diagram. So first we will draw the universal set with rectangle. With a rectangle. So here first we will draw a rectangle to represent the universal set U. Write the element of universal set. Element of universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the set of X contains 4 elements A, I, R, T. So here we draw a circle to represent the set X. Clear? So this is the Venn diagram for this universal set, and this is a set X. Clear? Last exercise of this chapter is a revision exercise. So 1 or 2 questions I will tell, and next you will try to solve. Clear? Like second question of revision exercise. Second question of revision exercise. Okay? Revision exercise. Second question. A set is given A X such that X is equal to n square plus 1, where n belongs to whole number and X is less than 50. First we will write the set in roster form. How? Here it is X is equal to n square plus 1. N belongs to whole number. It means we know that whole number started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here we will put the value of n. According to this we will get the value of X. Here see, if n is equal to 0, so X is equal to 0 square plus 1 is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, so X is equal to 1 square plus 1, 2. If n is equal to 2, so X is equal to 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Clear? Say we can find the value of X but less than 15. So now here I will write the element of set A in roster form. 1, then 2, then 5, then 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17. More na? So only up to 10. We have to write only up to 10. Here, what we are given now, the value of X less than 50 should be less than 50. 15 से छोटा होना चाहिए. Clear? So that's why 1, 2, 5 and 10. 0 square plus 1, 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 5, 3 square plus 1, 10. And if you write here 4 square plus 1, then it becomes 17. So it will not take here. Clear? Now, what is the question? Then fill the blanks using epsilon naught or epsilon. 11 is element of AR naught. 11 is element of set AR. See here, element not present in this set now. So we put this sign here, epsilon. Clear? Some more sets are given. We will try to solve. One more question I will tell. Seventh one. Seventh question. Clear? And next question we will try to solve of this revision exercise. Okay, students, any doubt you can ask in next class. Seventh question and last question for this chapter. Okay, if I have any doubt, you can ask in next video or next class. Universal set U is given X such that X belongs to whole number where X plus 1 less than equal to 10. So first we have to write this universal set in roster form. So see here, X says that X belongs to whole number and X plus 1 less than equal to 10. So we know that whole number is started from 0. So if X is equal to 0, so X plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 less than equal to 10. If X is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 less than 10. Same as we can find the next element of set U. But it should be satisfying the condition. So element 1 first 1, sorry, first 0, then 1, then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and 9 plus 1, 10. Up to element of set U is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Clear? And one more set is given. A is equal to 139. 139. Then show them by a Venn diagram. By a Venn diagram. So see here in both set U and A. 139, 139. These three elements are common. Okay. So how we can represent this set by Venn diagram? First, we draw a rectangle box for the universal set. For the universal set. So here I will draw universal set U. Write the element 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Element of universal set. Now we will draw a circle for set 8. Only 3 elements are there. Set here. So this represents the Venn diagram for this universal set and set here. So some more questions are there in this size distance. Please try to solve, and you have it out. You can ask in next video. Today is the last class for this chapter. Okay, set. Now in next video we will start the next chapter, integration. Okay, revision. Here, thank you, students.